Welcome all my joyful creators. This is Funday Monday number 13. My name is Cynthia with Cynthia's Joyful Creations, and today we are going to work 3 rows, rows 76, 77, and 78, using the number 7 color in your slot. Jen Reeves, as you saw in the intro, was our winner, and she chose the number 7 for our color for today. And in my case, it is going to be real teal. So whatever is in your number 7 slot is the color that you're going to be using. Now today we're only going to work the first 3 rows of this colorway, and next week we will come back and work the remaining 4 rows. And the reason we're doing this is because we did not have a movie night from the last time, and so we don't have a new winner to pick a new color for next week. So we're just going to split this segment up over the next 2 weeks until we have a new winner with a new colorway. This will also allow those of you who are a little bit behind to get caught up on our cow Longmire Blanket so that we're all caught up together. All right, if you're ready, let's go ahead and get our blanket and our number 7 color, and we'll get started. So I have my real teal ready to go. And so we're going to go ahead and join our color. We're going to chain 2, so 1, 2, and we're going to turn our work. Get all my tails out the way. Our blanket is getting rather large. All right, just about settled here. Wrap my tails around so I can secure them as I go. And for this row, we are going to just be making double crochets. So you're going to go all the way down this row, just making a double crochet in each stitch across. Oops, got to yarn over. And if you are going over your tails like I am, then just whenever you get to the point that you feel like you have worked over them enough and they're secured, then you can go ahead and trim off those tails and continue making double crochets all the way down the row. You will have a total of 158 double crochets when you get to the end of the row. So go ahead and finish that, and I will meet you at the end of the row, and I will tell you how to get ready to move to the next row. Here we are at the end of row 76. We have done 158 double crochets. We are going to chain 2, turn our work, and working across row 77, we are also going to work double crochets. The chain 2 will count as the first double crochet for this stitch right here. So we're going to go right into the very next stitch and work a double crochet, and we're going to work double crochets all the way down this row. So again, at the end of now row 77, you will have 158 double crochets. Oops. There we go. I was in the middle of that stitch when I went to grab some more yarn and didn't remember and started the next stitch and it didn't come out right. So here we go. All right, so continue down the rest of row 77, making 158 double crochets, and I will meet you at the end of this row to show you how to go on to row 78. So here we are at the end of row 77, and we are going to chain 1 to begin row 78, and we're going to turn our work that chain 1 is not going to count as a stitch, so we're going to go right here into this first stitch at the base of that chain 1 and work a single crochet, and we're going to work a single crochet in each stitch across row 78. And when you get to the end of row 78, you will have a total of 158 single crochets. So go ahead and work a single crochet in each stitch, and I will meet you at the end of row 78 when you're finished. So we have reached the end of row 78. As we mentioned at the very beginning of this video, we are not going to fasten off our color. We're just going to secure it down with a stitch marker, and we will complete the rest of the pattern for this number 7 colorway that we're using next week with an additional 4 rows. I will wait to introduce that stitch name until next week. So exciting, 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 the suspense. Ooh. Have a great week, and I will see you next week as we complete the last 4 rows of this segment using our number 7 colorway. Have a great week. Be joyful. Stay crafty in your own way. Make your own joyful creations, and I will see you again soon. Bye.